Compositing. Using tools to combine multiple sources into a single image is compositing. You've likely seen a picture-in-picture, which we can create in Final Cut using the transform tool. This is a simple form of compositing. One source, this video, is scaled down and placed on top of another source. Some clips, including this image, have an alpha channel. The alpha channel stores transparency values used for compositing. To see the alpha channel, in the viewer, click View, Alpha. Partial transparency is represented by shades of gray. Full transparency is black, and no transparency is white. Place a clip with an alpha channel above other clips in a project. This frame in our project includes the image, a picture-in-picture window, and the background video. The steps we took to create this frame is compositing. There are more complex compositing techniques that require dedicated apps. However, Final Cut includes many effects and parameters dedicated to compositing. Select a clip and open the video inspector to display the compositing parameters, blend mode, and opacity. Adjust opacity to blend two clips together. Add a keyframe, move the playhead, add a second keyframe, and change the opacity. You can even use the video animation editor and range selection tool to adjust the opacity. Use blend modes to create a complex mix between clips' pixels. Which mode to choose depends on the look you're trying to create. Note the ring light that is mostly covered up by this close-up. Changing the blend mode to darken allows us to see through the lighter areas. Excluding the dark gray areas, most of the ring light is visible. The lighten blend mode removes the dark gray, leaving the lighter areas visible. Select a clip with an alpha channel and use stencil alpha to cut out an area. Final Cut normally looks top down, so it can be tempting to add a clip below the others, but we can't see it. Simply drag the clip up above the others and use the behind blend mode to see it. Another option, select the clips used to create the composite and add them to a new compound clip. To summarize, compositing is the process of combining images and can be accomplished in Final Cut with a transform, opacity change, blend modes, and so much more. This is just a quick glimpse at compositing. Try it out and let me know what questions you have in the comments.